How to download songs on SoundCloud. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video, we will learn how we can download songs on SoundCloud. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up SoundCloud application and make sure that you're logged in. After that, find the song that you want to download. Use the search bar and search for the song. Now tap on the song. Here, if the artist allows downloading the song, then you will see download button under the track. Or if you tap on the three dot icon here, also you may find the download option if the artist have allowed downloading their track. If not, then you will not be able to download the song. So you have to find another song that is allowed by their artist in order to download. And if you see a download button, you have to tap on it and then the file will be saved to your device. But if you have a SoundCloud Go Plus or premium subscription on SoundCloud, you can save all of the free tracks offline and you can use them offline. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.